Hello my people, something happened today. So after work, as person we not get money now, I say make I go buy Coke and bread drink. But wetin I see inside this bottle of Coke, you no go believe am. Na I say make I share am with una. So as I buy the Coke, now come buy bread and groundnut, everything come out 1,000 because this Coke na 250 they dey sell am here. Bread 350, that's 650 abi. Come buy one groundnut 100 naira, everything come out 750 naira. As person wey no get money now, I just dey manage my life. But wetin surprise me na wetin dey inside this Coke. Just look this Coke well, you go see say e get wetin dey inside. So I wan show una for this video today. If this is your first time on my channel, please, before we continue, share this video. Make we expose these people wetin they do, so that these things wey they do go stop. Okay my people, so make we see wetin dey inside the Coke. Mona look carefully wetin dey inside the Coke. Make I open am. See my glass here, this is my glass cup. So I go open am, then pour am inside, then you go see something wey dey inside this Coke. Please share this video after watching. Okay, now make we open the Coke. Make I find something where you go just open the Coke. Ma give my man make you open the Coke.
Okay. Make I enter the video.
Yes. Make I give my man now make you open the Coke for me now. More than not say maybe person come here come dey lie. Open am.
I find something like open am.
Find something like open am when you open this Coke. Make they see say person not dey lie, not be every time. They go feel say person they come on internet come dey make noise. These people don't overdo now. Every time now, so we go to see something we know this thing.
Make I use my teeth.
Make you use your teeth open up. So may we pour the Coke for the glass, because now him and me buy this Coke now. They observe. My people, you see the bottle, you see the one with the inside glass. Nothing really dey inside this Coke. I know say I've been wait for bad news, but
no, man,
nothing really dey inside this Coke.
Now drink, ordinary
drink. This company they try.
They nourish body.
This drink now booster. For instance, if you don't tire, like as I tire from work like this now,
go buy am.
As I take am like this, now booster.
As in
the energy where I don't lose go just come back sharply. So nothing dey inside this Coke. If you never drink Coke before, find way, go buy a bottle.
Go buy your own.
Go buy a bottle of Coke for yourself. This drink, now drink where they kajado. This video is not being sponsored by Coca-Cola company. It's not being sponsored by Coca-Cola company. But if you never drink Coke before, I go advise you, may you go buy one bottle of Coke like this. Take. Thank you very much.
That you go sleep well.
So that you go sleep well. Coke na energy drink.
Wetin done our mind? And I think say one concast.
And I think say one concast Coke people. No, now we not fit come here concast Coke people. Coke na better company. Coca-Cola na better.
You know how many years they done?
You know how many years where they don't dey in existence. So we not fit come here concast them. Nothing dey inside this bottle of Coke. But Sha, thank you. Say you don't share the video for us.
Thank you.
God bless you.
All right, take care.